Okay, today's the unboxing of the Zenfone 2. This is the 4GB version with 64GB, and it's got some little icons indicating battery, 4G, wireless, HD, and the camera. And here it goes, the opening. So as I open it, this should shift. These images should shift open here. I don't know if you can see it. Dun, dun, dun. And there's a little pull tab here. It's kind of nice. Open it here. Oh, it feels pretty solid. And this is the black version I got. And you can see there's double flash, camera, and the volume button, selection button. Comes in a nice little wrapped up. Oh yeah. And the box itself, let's open this. Oh, here we go. If you open it, you have these things. You have instructions, warranty, user guides, and a little sticker for your stuff. And in the box, this comes with the charger, and it looks like in the 4GB version you get a charger that charges at a higher amp, so you get faster charging. And it comes with the micro USB. Along with this phone, I got a Nature TPU case. It's a case for obviously the Zenfone 2, and it's a clear case. So it's pretty soft, and it's got somewhat of a mesh-like texture right here for grip, and it's not completely TPU. Oh, it is, but except for these sides, it's a little bit tougher here. And then you got your slots for your phone, camera, and your volume, and you have your power button here, and looks like that's for your microphone or your headphones. And what I like about this is there's a little flap here that covers the headphone slot, and then there's somewhat of a filter here for where the speaker comes out from all the dust. And there's another one here that covers the charging port. So I like this because it'll protect it from like dust. If you have it in your pocket, it'll protect it from dust bunnies. And a hole for the microphone. This is a complete body skin. It's a screen protector and the body protector, and I got this so that I want to make sure I don't get any scratches or anything like that. And this is from Skinomi, and I'll just open it up. It comes with a spray water bottle for application purposes, and There's a lot of instructions here. And here we have the actual pieces where I'll be attaching. You can't really see it, but I will be applying it on there, and there's a lot of videos on the website, Skinomi website, to show you how to do that. And now this is how it looks with the case and the Skinomi. I've applied the full body skin. It took probably about 15 to 20 minutes to install, but I was very picky about it, so you probably see some markings, but the video says that it'll disappear in about a day or two, just so that when it dries out it wouldn't have any marks left. So we'll see about that. A little bit dirty. Anyways, so the skin on the back, I mean, with all this lighting, it probably is easy to see all these marks, but without the camera, it actually looks pretty good. I'm not really too concerned with all of this. And like I said, the features, you can pop this over and protect it from dust coming in, and the same with this audio. So, and the buttons work just fine. The buttons here, it's good to the touch, doesn't interfere with any functionalities. So I'm going to turn it on. And it vibrates just a little bit. And that's about it. And let's see, English, because you have the emergency, if you don't have a SIM card. Right now I don't have a SIM card in there, but I'm just trying it on to show you guys. So you have all these languages. It's English, so it says welcome. It's got some nice gradient colors to it, so I'm gonna go forward. And what is this? I guess English is all I need right now. Mobile network and Wi-Fi. I'll just use Wi-Fi for now. Searching for networks. Just gonna put it in right now. And it just tells you some things. It's just loading. And then I accept. Let's check in info. You can set up your purchases, I guess. I'm not gonna do that right now. And looks like I'm in. And so it tells you can create a personal ASUS account, and you get free gigabytes of cloud storage. I don't think I'll do that right now. Say sync data. I don't think I want to sync anything right now. And it gives you option for all sorts of things right now. I'll use automatic. Everything's automatic, so I'll keep it that way. You get there's a bunch of promotions, so I'll just bypass that. yeah, why not? And I don't think I want to participate in anything, so next. Data transfer. I'm not gonna, just gonna start fresh. And there you go. So you get all these sort of things, and oh, there's a software update. I'll probably do that later. But yeah, that's what it is. And it comes with half the battery charged. I don't know what these things are. Oh, there's additional. So yeah, there you go. Tutorial. Very cool. Look at that macro. There you have it. And now I'm going to turn it off.